Thank you for looking at my listing today. I hope that you will have a great experience viewing the property. Lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch in a highly desirable, quiet, yet elegant cherry kitchen cabinets, luxury vinyl plank flooring. Planta luxurious vinyl plank flooring was installed in 2021, the HVAC system control mechanism was recently installed. This home has so much deck of the nearly half-acre backyard are countless. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet, separate shower, and garden tub. As an extra bonus, you are not limited on what to do with the space. You must see this showing now because it will not be available for long.